In this video we're going to learn how to use Pythagoras theorem to find the shorter side of a right angled triangle. The theorem obviously doesn't change. It's the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, just like our previous video. And that again gives us the formula that the square of the two shorter sides added together equals the square of the hypotenuse. The only difference is this time we'll be finding one of those smaller sides instead. So what are the steps we go through? Well, they're actually the same as the steps we go through for finding the longest side of a right angled triangle. We label the triangle, ensuring that C is the hypotenuse. We write down the formula again, and it's the same formula. We fill out the equations with our A, B and C. The only difference is that this time it won't be the C that equals X. We then solve for X. Now, one little thing that can help you, if you're finding a shorter side, then you're going to need to subtract the values. We then square root to find the value of X. Okay, so now for an example. So in this one here, X is one of the shorter sides and we know the hypotenuse. So we want to solve this using Pythagoras theorem. And the first thing we do is we label the triangle. Remember, C must be the hypotenuse. Step 2, write out the equation. Step 3, fill out the values for A, B and C. So instead of A squared, X squared, instead of B squared, 10 squared, instead of C squared, 13 squared. Then we can work out the values of those squares. We're just simplifying. And remember what I said, if you're finding a shorter side, you're going to need to subtract. So we're going to take away 100 from both sides, so we get X squared equals 69. And then we're going to square root both sides to get X equals 8.3 centimetres. I hope you found this helpful. I have included a worksheet which you can use for practice, and you can find a link to that in the description below. Staying in field with Winfield.